My name is Heleen and today I will tell you all about my channel, Reoccurring Pencil. After years of thinking about what type of videos to make, I've landed on a concept. The goal of this channel is to show you what it is like to learn how to draw and paint. Because the process of learning, I feel, often gets a little bit forgotten or overlooked. Like in a game, you click on this button where people learn a skill and then bling, skill unlocked. But that's not how it works. Well, maybe fasting forward, that's how it works. But in the time between someone deciding to learn something and then the learning being done, there are so many struggles. My ultimate dream would be to be able to inspire people to go make stuff themselves. To be able to show that, yeah, I'm not exactly feeling confident, but you don't need confidence in order to do what you want. You just gotta do it. I started drawing again in the winter of 2020. My motivation honestly was boredom. Well, it was lockdown times. So that's when it started and it snowballed a little bit from there. I had periods of drawing a lot and periods of not drawing at all. I started this channel in 2022 and it took me some years. It took me years to finally post a single video. The videos that I made in the past couple of months were me playing around with the possibility of making videos and posting it. Testing. How does it feel? How does it work? How does uploading even work? What do you need to think about? How
are people going to respond to this? How am I going to respond to this?
As you might have noticed, there's no media training here. It's just me trying to figure out what I'm doing. So yeah, it took me some years to find the courage. It took me some years to find the courage to upload videos here, to post anything. And now I'm here. Hi, I made it. Happy you made it here too. That being said, this is not my job. I'm not doing this for a living, I am doing this for fun. Meaning that I don't have to feel the pressure of making content that is likable for a large group of people. I can just do what I want. As a result, you might see some content that is a little bit quirky. For me, making YouTube videos is a combination of several hobbies. Obviously, drawing and painting, and also filming. Or taking pictures. Photography is also another hobby. I really like that I am now able to combine both of them into one thing. I am an absolute beginner when it comes to watercolor paint, and I am whatever it is that comes after beginner when it comes to drawing. I know that I'm not an actual beginner anymore because the evidence is in my very first sketches compared to how I sketch now. For the future of the channel, I need to go to the office where I can show you my studio. I can show you where the magic happens. Now that you know a bit more about the channel and about me, it is time to discuss the future. So what to expect for the future of this channel? You can expect more of what I made before, so more fantasy art. And I will also show you when I fail. I will not just show you when I succeed. That's a bit of the point of this channel for me, is that I show you the progress, also when it doesn't go great. It's not only that I want to share it with you, I also want to document it for myself so that I can look back at it and go, okay, that's how I solved it back then. Well, that was it for this video. I hope I was able to give you an idea of who I am and what I want to do with this channel. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments. Subscribe if you want to, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!